before Blackpool. Just another little one.
Blackpool was now just 15 miles away, but the producers, infuriated by our good progress, ordered us to pull over at a garden centre for yet another challenge.
One of the main reasons people switched from British sports cars to European hot hatchbacks, apart from reliability, price, comfort, speed and handling, I don't think so, as we've proved, is practicality. To prove this point, you will load up a Golf GTI with items from the garden centre, and then you'll see how much you can get in your cars.
This is a Mark I GTI, the first of the breed that killed the British sports car. So, let's see what we can get into that boot.
Whoa, careful.
I shall open the boot.
So we'll just... Oh, you need to take the
parcel shelf down here, hang on. There it is.
There you go.
Lovely. There we are. No.
Ah, no.
Yeah, you see.
If you can't get a rose arch in a Golf GTI...
What can you get in it?
Exactly.
After a quick shop, we hit the road and made our point.
Here's the thing, if you'd gone to the garden centre with a hot hatchback, the biggest thing you could have brought home is a pansy. I'm going home with a bamboo and a conifer.
TDR, the car that came out of the shed, now